Hey everyone, it's Nick Knight. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial video for you for when you're getting ready to start paying your affiliates. A lot of you are getting involved with the Revisit Affiliate Network now, which is fantastic. And some of you are new to it, so I wanted to show you my system that I have in place that I pay my affiliates every single month. So it's that time of month now. It's October 15th. I've set up my schedule to let my affiliates know that I'll pay them on the 15th or thereabouts every month. So there's no hard rule there. I just want them to expect it sometime around the middle of the month. So on the 15th, the first thing I've done is I've set up an alarm on my calendar. So whatever kind of calendar system you're using, I just set it up so that I get a notice on the 15th of every month that says pay affiliates, and it just pops up on my screen just like any other alert. And that reminds me, because sometimes you get busy and you forget, and you don't want to leave your affiliates hanging or having to email you going, hey, where's my payment this month? So it's good to have a reminder system in place. So that's step one. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your affiliate network and you're going to check for commissions. So you can go to any product that you've got published on Revisit. So you just hit manage product, and then you're going to come down here and choose affiliate network. And that's going to open up a new tab and log you into your merchant account. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and close that out so that this is pretty much what you should see here. Now I've set up a shortcut right down here for my commissions. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. I'm going to come up here to Start and go to Reports and go to Commissions. Okay, and that's going to give me all of my commissions. But if you want, you can drag this little icon right here, this lightning bolt, right down here and drop it, and it'll be a shortcut on your little toolbar down there. So once you've got the icon set up in your little dock down here, you can just click on that and it's going to open up your commissions panel. You can do that so that it's easy every month. So now in the commissions panel here, you can see all the commissions that are payable. These are going to show you all the details of everything. So you're going to know who the affiliate was. It says right here in the top there. You'll know what product they sold for you right here. You'll see the product number, and you'll also see the order number. So you can actually go into Revisit and look at that order and know what customer bought it. So all of this kind of information for you for your marketing or whatever, it's kind of interesting to know. You can see how much the total purchase price was, and then how much commission you owe, because it automatically calculates it based on what you set up for your payment. So for mine, it's set up to be a 40% commission. So 40% of 55 is 22. So that's what I owe. So that's all the information right there. So the way to do this really easy. Now it'll always say unpaid here in this category. And that's just because the way this software is set up, to integrate it with Revisit, we could not have it, we couldn't allow you to go in there and change it from paid to unpaid because of the way it integrates in our system. Basically, you're going to pay them outside of this software. It's difficult to explain why, but you just got to kind of ignore that column. But here's why that column's handy. Because you're actually going to export all of this information to a CSV file, and you're going to create a Google Doc that lets you go in and have an easy way to kind of add to it and update it every month. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose Export to CSV. Now, I'm not going to choose Export to CSV right now. I'm going to go in and set some filters because I've already created this document in Google Docs, and I just want to add the new stuff to it. So we're going to do it in two steps here. So the first step is you're going to choose Export to CSV. And when you do that, oh, actually, I just did it. Okay, so it was just that fast. So I exported that. It's called grid, and with 3 in parentheses, .csv. Yours will probably just be called grid.csv, and it'll go into your downloads folder. And then you're going to go to Google Docs, or Google Drive, I guess it's called now. And if you don't already have this, you go ahead and get this set up. It's great. It's a cloud-based file storage system where you can create documents and spreadsheets and all kinds of things for free on the web. So what you do is you want to come over here, you want to click on Create and choose Spreadsheet, like this. Okay, and once you get this spreadsheet set up, you're just going to come up here to File, choose Import, and now you're going to choose that CSV file. So we're going to go to Upload, select a file from my computer, and I'm in the download. There's that file right there, and I'm going to choose Open. And it's going to upload it. And in this version, you're going to do create new spreadsheet, okay, and detect automatically. So you hit import. File imported successfully, open now. Okay, and now you can see it's called Grid 3. So you're going to, first thing you want to do is click on this and change that name to something like maybe Revisit Affiliate Payments. Okay, something to that effect. Okay, so once you've got that, and now you can see it gives you the entire CSV information here, which you can go through and you can see all of your payments. But one of the nice things here is that you do have that paid category where it's got use, and you can change those to P if you want once you've paid them. So it's a good way to track it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and jump out of this one because I already have one created. So I'm going to go ahead and close that for now. And I'm going to go to my, actually I'm going to delete this first because I don't need two of them. Okay, and I'm going to get rid of this one as well. So I don't need that. And now I'm going to come down here to mine, which is just called affiliate sales. Okay, so now that I've created that, and I've been using it for a long time, so now I'm going to go down to the bottom of mine and I'm going to look at what the last date right here, the last date of an affiliate payment was, which was 9/13. That's because on the 15th of September, I paid off all my affiliates. As you can see, I've marked it paid. So now I'm going to come in. So when I go into the Revisit Commission area, I'm going to set filters so that I'm not seeing everything. I just want to see the new commissions from 9/14, the next day, through today, 10/15. So all I'm going to do is come in here and choose select custom date, choose from the little calendar here, 9/14 to 10/15. Okay, so that's just going to show me that month. I hit search, and now it's going to filter everything out, and I just see the payments I have to make now, which is only 2. I only have 2 payments here. But even though there's only 2, I'm still going to choose export to CSV, and it's just going to export whatever's there. And you can see now it's called Grid 4. Okay, so I'm going to come, and I'm done with this program here, so I can go ahead and close out this. I'm going to go back to my affiliate sales sheet, and I'm going to come up here and I'm going to actually deselect that. Select the next line. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to choose import, and this is where I'm going to say append rows to current sheet. Okay, that's really important because I want to add to the sheet I already have. I don't want it to delete anything. I just want to append the rows. So I'm going to add new rows to that. Choose file, choose Grid 4. Okay, and it gives me a little preview right here. And I just choose import. Okay, now you'll see what it did was it added 3 lines. It added this line right here, which is a header line. So what I always do is it just automatically does that. But since that header line's already up here, I just go ahead and delete this row for starters. So you can just control click on that and choose delete row. And now you've cleaned it up, and that's it. So I can look right here and I can see, here's the 2 unpaid payments. Okay, I can see who they are, and I can get the information to pay them in PayPal. So the last step of this would be to go into PayPal and pay each of these people the amount that it shows here. This person's going to get $22. This person's going to get $15.99. And once I've done that, I come back to here and change these 2 to paid, and I'm done. And then I do it again next month. So that's pretty much how I do it. That's the system I have in place. It becomes pretty second nature after you've done it a couple of times. I hope this helps you, and hope this inspires you to get an army of salespeople out there helping you sell your products. Thanks a lot.